In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable VPN in Opera browser. If you've noticed some websites not loading correctly, location-based services showing the wrong region, or slower browsing speeds, it may be because Opera's built-in VPN is turned on. Disabling it is quick, and I'll walk you through two simple ways to do it so you can choose the one that feels most natural. First, open the Opera browser. At the top of the window, right next to the address bar, look for the small VPN badge. Depending on your version, it might be a blue or colored label that says VPN. Click it to open a small panel. Inside that panel, you'll see a control to turn it off, usually a switch or a button labeled Turn Off. Click that. When the VPN is disabled, the badge will typically turn gray or indicate that it's off. That visual change confirms your regular connection is now being used, which often restores accurate location detection and can improve loading performance on some sites. If you prefer using the sidebar, there's an alternative method that accomplishes the same thing. On the left side of the Opera window, click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the browser's settings area. In there, locate the VPN section. You'll see an option to disable VPN. Toggle that off. Just like before, the VPN icon near the address bar should reflect that it's disabled. Both methods do exactly the same thing, so use whichever is quicker for you. Remember, turning VPN off means your traffic is no longer routed through Opera's servers, which can help with site compatibility and speed, but also means you're browsing without that extra layer of routing. If you need the VPN again later, you can return to the same place, the badge by the address bar, or the VPN setting in the sidebar, and switch it back on just as easily. That's it. You've successfully disabled the VPN in Opera, and you're ready to browse with your normal connection.